5 seconds to go. Start. There has been a fundamental infraction of the provisions of Section 15A of the SC/ST Act by the High Court in not issuing notice to the appellant who, in his capacity as a complainant, was entitled to be heard in any proceeding under the Act inter alia in respect of bail. As a matter of fact, in the appeal which had been filed before the High Court against the rejection of the first bail application by the special judge, the appellant was represented by counsel and that by an order dated 8th August 2019, the appeal was dismissed as not pressed. The failure to issue a notice to the appellant under subsections 3 and 5 of section 15A before the grant of bail by the High Court cannot be obviated subsequently by observing that the appellant was being heard on the application for cancellation of bail. In the order dated 7th November 2019, the single judge merely recorded the statement of counsel for the accused that the spouse of the deceased had, in the course of her statement, alleged that the deceased had gone with her brother who had obtained an insurance policy in the name of the deceased, and it was Kishan Lal, the brother in law of the deceased, who had committed the murder with the help of his friends. The final report, which has been submitted after investigation on 6 September 2018, prima facie reveals the complicity of the first respondent in the murder of the deceased. The investigation has revealed that the first respondent, together with two of the co-accused, participated in the murder, and there is a CCTV camera footage, and besides the statements of the spouse and the mother of the deceased and of an independent witness under section 161 CRPC, the cold data records of the accused have been obtained for the period between 1st June 2018 and 11th June 2018. The cold data records indicate that all the accused were in close contact with each other during the said period and proximate to the time of the offense. The cold data records also indicate the location of the accused at the time of the murder. On the other hand, the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the first respondent submitted that the order granting bail has relied upon the statement of the spouse of the deceased that Ramnivas was murdered by his brother in law Kishan Lal with the help of his friends for obtaining the proceeds of the insurance policy, which was obtained in the name of the deceased, and hence The main and substantive allegation is against Kishan Lal. Stop.